Hello friends, this is Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I welcome you all. Today our subject is development economics. Under development economics, we are going to cover the topic sustainable development. It's written out there, already uploaded at my blog. Even the link of those notes will be shared in the description box. Even its Hindi lecture is also available my second channel, that is the Shashi Agarwal Economics and Law classes. And here we are going to cover what is the meaning of sustainable development, what are the features of the sustainable development, how we are going to measure the sustainable development. Then we are going to do a very significant topic, that is the comparison between the economic growth, economic development and sustainable development. First of all, we will understand what is sustainable development. That is the modern variant of the development. Here the development should be done in this manner that the present and the future generation both are both enjoy the quality of life. Like we are getting developed, it doesn't mean there should be environment degradation, so that the capacity of the natural sources is reduced. Sustainable development is the modern variant of the development. Refer to the process of economic development. The objective is to maintain the quality of life for present generation as well as for the future generation. And here the development should be done in such a manner there should be no environment degradation. When we talk about the environment degradation, it means the environment pollution and the exploitation of the natural sources, because natural sources generally they are non-renewable sources, they are depleted, they will not be available for the future generation. So the sustainable development means there should be less, there should not be any there should not be any environment degradation. So what is the meaning of the environment? All those situations and surrounding which influence the life and development. When we talk about the environment, we also, the environment covers non-living things like soil and the climate. Sustainable development is a process that maximizes for the present generation as well as for the future generation long-term net gains which are resulting from the economic development. Sustainable development, the name is sustainable development, process of development which meets the need of the present generation without reducing the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. The concept of sustainable development stresses the process of development should be such that it focuses on those processes. The development should be carried on such a manner that it causes minimum possible environment pollution as well as minimum possible exploitation of the natural pollution, because the objective is to preserve for the future generation also. So what are the features of sustainable development? There should be rise in real per capita income, and there should be rise in the economic welfare. Natural sources, they should be properly utilized. There should not be wastage of the natural sources, and there should not be reduction in the ability of the future generation to meet their needs. The objective is to use natural sources in rational manner, and there should be no environment degradation, and existing standard of living should be enhanced, but it should not, when the quality of the life improving for the present generation doesn't mean there is a reduction for the future generation. There should be no increase in pollution. It should not indulge in those kinds of activity which may increase pollution. There should be more efforts, more concern for future generation, and because our industry, when we are making economic development, the stress should be to meet our social responsibility, and the objective should that the future generation should also get those benefits. There should be optimum use of the resources. and we should use such technology which are input efficient, which are using less input but producing more, so that there should be less exploitation of the resources. And we should use the environment friendly resources, so that the environment should be clean, there should be no pollution, there should be no environment degradation. Like instead of diesel and petrol, we could use the CNG and LPG, which is less environment, which is much safer for the environment. So what are the strategy for the sustainable development? The main objective of the government planning should be integrated rural development. Like when they are developing the urban area, the rural area should also be developed. More employment opportunity should be there, so that there should be lesser, so that the rural people, they should not migrate to the urban area. And we should use the natural sources for producing electricity. Sunlight is a rich natural gift and it is environment friendly. It is not exhaustible. So sunlight should be used for making electricity. And we should shift to the organic farming, because when we are using excessive pesticide, insecticides, they are chemicals, they increase the yield, but at the same time they put pressure on the environment and affect the fertility of the soil also in the long run. So we should shift to the organic farming, and we should try to recycle the waste. Household waste could be recycled into compost that could be used as a manure for organic farming. And there should be stringent law on the disposal of the chemical effluents. And the people should be made aware to conserve the natural asset for intergenerational equity. And we should use the public means of transport, so there should be less pressure on the environment. So measurement of sustainable development is the green national income and the genuine saving. Green national income is the difference between the net national income and the depreciation of the natural capital. What is net national income? Market value of the final goods and services which is produced by the resident of the country during 1 year. Depreciation of natural capital means lost value of the capital because of its continuous use. When we are using the natural resources, their ability reduces. Natural capital refer to the sum total of the natural resources including the environment. Green national income is equal to net national income minus depletion of the natural resources and the environment degradation. Genuine saving means rate of saving adjusted not only for depreciation of man-made capital but also for the loss of value to the natural capital. Gross saving minus depreciation of man-made capital minus depreciation of the natural resources, depletion of the natural resources and degradation of the economic environment. Now we will make a comparison of the economic growth, economic development and sustainable development. Economic growth, when we talk about the economic growth, it means long-term increase in the real per capita income. But when we talk about the economic development, there is a long-term increase in real per capita income, but also focuses on the increase of economic welfare also. When we talk about the sustainable development, increase in real per capita income and economic welfare for both the generation present as well as for the future generation. Economic growth with reference to develop. When we talk about the economic growth, it means with reference to the developed nation. When we talk about the economic development, it is with reference to the underdeveloped economy. When we talk about the sustainable development, it means both developed and underdeveloped nation. When we are focusing on the economic growth, it ignores the distribution. It only focuses there should be increase in real per capita income, and distribution of income is ignored. But when we talk about the economic development, here the focus is on the economic welfare. When we talk about the sustainable development, there should be increase in real per capita income and the welfare for the present as well as for the future generation. It does not ignore the distribution of income, neither economic development nor sustainable development. Economic growth ignores the protection of environment. Even while economic development, no special stress is given for the protection of the environment. But when we talk about the sustainable development, there is a special stress on environmental issues. There should be no degradation of the environment. Economic growth does not take into account for the exploitation of the natural capital. Even economic development also does not take into account. But when we talk about the sustainable development, it means it focuses that there should be proper utilization of the natural sources, there should be optimal utilization, there should be no wastage, there should be we should use those kinds of input efficient technology which uses less input and produce more. So it focuses on more rational utilization of the natural resources. Economic growth does not take into account for structural, technical, institutional changes. Even sustainable development also does not lay special stress on these things, but economic development focus on structural, technical and institutional changes while carrying on the development activities in the economy.